Hello, ladies and gentlemen, people of the internet. You're probably like, where has this kid been for the past like 2 months? And you know how many times I've made update videos like this where I just like go radio silent and no one knows where I am. And I like pretty sure I made an update video not too long ago about, oh, I'm back and you know, my exam's over and now I'm gonna upload a ton. And here's the honest truth. I've been so incredibly lazy when it comes to making videos because I've been relying solely on like motivation to get this stuff done. And you're also probably wondering like a new filming setup. So as you can see, I am. I'm recording on a tripod on my phone, using new microphone, new audio. You probably saw the shorts on that. Yeah, I've been just like absolutely doing nothing, and I don't like that. I want to be doing something. I want to entertain, educate, add some value to you guys. But ultimately, I'm just sitting here doing absolutely nothing, and I resent myself for that. But I'm working on improving, as we all should. So I'm going to try to become more organized. This video, I didn't really organize too much. I just kind of thought about it in my head, turned on the camera, and thought we'd roll from there. Let me know what you think of this filming setup, random transition, just throwing it out there. Just let me know. Just mix it up. I don't want to sit here and record in the same, desk setup that I always do. I want to do some different things. Recording on a tripod is also beneficial because I can, just like move this thing around and it stays very still and get good shots and stuff like that. So I'm working, ladies and gentlemen. Here's a pumpkin because it's past Halloween. So I'm going to use this time, while I still have the viewer's attention, to ask a question or pose a question to said audience. What kind of content do you guys want to see? I have an idea. If I were to rattle off some things, it would probably be like S23 videos, because I just got a new smartphone, which is the Galaxy S23. I got a new smartwatch, which is the Galaxy Watch 6, standard model, not the classic that rotates. This is just the standard all glass design without any rotating bezel. To be honest, like that's about it. That's all I got right now. Tips and tricks on S23, that sort of stuff. Talking Android versus iOS. I've actually had it using iOS phones at this point. The fact that Apple is charging $800. Granted, I'm using an iPhone 13, but they still did this with the 15. I don't know where this video is going anymore, but the fact that they're charging $800 and not even giving you 120 hertz or not even 90 hertz display is like absolutely ridiculous. And most people will say they don't care. I don't necessarily agree with that. I think you should care. I think it just looks better and it's objectively better in every single way other than battery life. Although if you have an LTPO display that can go down to like 1 hertz, you can actually save battery life. That's it. Yeah. I don't know what this video is, but it's a like sort of, hello, I'm back. I need to do better. I realize that. I need to plan more. My videos need to be better. And so I'm being a little harsh on myself in this video, but it's much needed. I've not been there. I've not been putting in the effort. And I thought if I come out here and document that, maybe it can spark something in me. I think I need to just stop. And this is a message to everyone out there. It's like it gets to the point where you're just like, you have to stop relying on motivation to do everything. If you want to work on goals and stuff, it's like you'll be motivated one day and then the next day you won't care. And it's like similar story for me here. So, it does require, like what you're supposed to do when you're a YouTuber, tech channel like myself, is like, hey, plan out some videos, script some stuff, not like entirely script every word for word, but have a general idea of what you're going to say. Film it. Get good filming shots. Don't sit there and film for 5 seconds and then try to edit it like right after that. Have separate filming and editing days where you're not doing everything at the same exact time. Plan out your week. Have an upload schedule. Haven't had that in like a year. So that's going to be it for this video. Get my thoughts out on the internet. I don't know how much editing I'm going to do on this thing. We'll see. And we are going to go from here. So that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Tech with Scott. Bye, everyone. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another video on my channel. If you're interested, click over here to subscribe to the channel, and click over here for another amazing tech video review / tutorial. And yeah, thanks so much for checking out the channel. Appreciate all you guys. See you in the next video.